Let's look at this interesting question over here on simultaneous equations. We are given that a two-digit number is equal to 7 times the sum of its digits, and that the number formed by reversing its digits is 18 less than the original number. Find the original number. Okay, so let's first define our two digits. Okay, so let's call our two digits A and B. Okay, so if the number was, for example, 37, then A uh, would be 3 and B would be 7. Okay, so A is representing the digit in the tens position, and B is representing the digit in the ones position, which means, okay, if I were to look at the digits 3 and 7, in order for me to get 37, I must take 3 multiplied by 10 add with 7 to give me 37. Okay, so in that same tone, in order for me to get the actual number from these two digits, I must take 10a plus b. That will give me the actual value of the two-digit number. Okay, so with that and the first sentence, we can write the first equation, that 7 times the sum of its digits, that means 7 multiplied by a plus b is equals to the two-digit number over here, and the two-digit number is represented by 10a plus b. Okay, so let's go ahead to expand this. So I get 7a plus 7b is equals to 10a plus b. I'm going to bring everything over the other side. So 10a minus 7a plus b minus 7b. Okay, and that will give me 3a minus 6b is equals to 0. And I can simplify that to write a minus 2b equals to 0. Okay, from this equation, we know that a is equals to 2b. Okay, the relationship between a and b. Now, we have formed the first equation, okay, given the first sentence of the question. Now let's look at the second sentence. We are given that the number formed by reversing its digits is 18 less than the original number. Okay, so now I'm going to reverse the digits. That means instead of AB, I'm going to write it as BA. Okay, so the number is now going to be represented as BA. So in that same analysis, in the same way that we did the analysis just now, if B is in the tens position and A is in the ones position, the number is now obtained by saying 10B plus A. Okay, B is in the tens position and A is in the ones position. Okay, and so this is the new number, okay, obtained by reversing the digits, and we are told that the difference between this this new number is 18 less than the original number, and the original number is A in the ones position and A in the tens position and B in the ones position, which gave us 10A plus B. Okay, so with that information, we can form the second equation, that 10A plus B, which is the first number, subtract 10B plus A, which is the number with the reversed digits, that is equals to 18. Okay, so let's go ahead and simplify this. So 10A plus B minus 10B minus A equals to 18. Okay, we will get 9A minus 9B is equals to 18. Divide everything by 9, I get A minus B is equals to 2. Okay, and from the first equation, we saw that we already have this relationship, that A is equals to 2B. So I'm going to substitute that inside here. So putting A equals to 2B inside this equation, I will get 2B minus B is equals to 2. So B is equals to 2. Okay, and now putting it back into this first equation, we can say that A is equals to 2B, which is 2 times 2, which is equals to 4. Okay, A is equals to 4. That means the original number was AB, which is 42. Okay, so that was the original number here. Okay, to verify, we can look back at our information that is given, the question, that the 2-digit number is equal to 7 times the sum of its digits. Okay, 7 times the sum of its digits. So if I take 7 multiplied by 4 plus 2, which is 7 times 6, I'll get 42. Correct? And the second information was, if I reverse the digits, the new number is 18 less than the original number. That means 42, subtract the reverse of it, 24, I will get 18. Okay, so as you can see, both the conditions given in the question are satisfied. So we can confirm that this is the final answer here. Okay, so I hope that this video has given you a good idea how to solve such questions. This is of course a very interesting question because you have to really understand the information given, and from that information you need to come up with the correct equation. Okay, from there you can use simultaneous equations methods to solve this question here. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and continue to view all our videos from the .r YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.